cutting the food import bill and increasing the production of domestic food crops. Two major targets of the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries for the financial year 2013-2014. With a capital expenditure budget of over $2.2 billion and grants of over $622 million, the ministry has set out to increase growth and productivity. $134 million of the Agriculture Ministry's $2 billion Capital A budget will be used to support farming communities in the management and improvement of livestock and crop production. Beneficiaries are to be the most vulnerable small farmers who will be given special incentives to keep production going. These include seedlings, spraying equipment, fertilizers, plant protection chemicals, feed, and day-old chicks. The crop and livestock sectors will receive further assistance by way of grants amounting to over $444 million from various agencies. The Competitive Coffee Enterprises program will be boosted by a $10.4 million allocation. There are also significant allocations to an agricultural competitiveness program and agriculture support project and the diversification of the Caribbean livestock through the production of small ruminants. The Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, will also receive $20 million to train farmers. Continuing its drive to boost production, the Agriculture Ministry is spending some $25 million this fiscal year to improve the supply of water to farming communities for irrigation purposes. Another $127 million will go towards implementing the irrigation rehabilitation project, courtesy of a grant from the Inter-American Development Bank. This injection should help to improve the institutional framework and capacity for irrigation management in Jamaica. The bulk of the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries capital budget, some $2 billion, will go towards the Sugar Transformation Unit to help develop a sustainable private sector-led sugarcane industry. Projects to be undertaken during the 2013-2014 financial year include the rehabilitation of rural cane roads and drain cleaning in the St. Thomas and Westmoreland sugar-dependent areas. Money is also set aside to install infrastructure in two areas designated for agri-parks, to complete the installation of infrastructure at barracks relocation sites, and to commence the construction of houses for sugar workers. Community amenities such as schools, health centers, and sports facilities in sugar development areas will also be upgraded. Meanwhile, loan facilities will be set up for farmers to install drip irrigation systems, and the Sugar Industry Authority will make $96 million available to repair sugar cane roads associated with factories. $177.2 million is to be shared among 4 subdivisions of the Agriculture and Fisheries Ministry to improve their technical capacity. $60 million will be pumped into the Plant Quarantine and Produce Inspection Division to continue the implementation of the Food Safety Modernization Act. The aim is to increase compliance rate for the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's Food Safety Modernization Act and to ensure continued access of Jamaican foods to leading markets. The Fisheries Division is getting $24.5 million to deal with the management and development of inland and offshore fishing, as well as to improve Jamaica's marine agricultural productivity project and the CARICOM Fisheries Resources Assessment and Management Program. In the area of research, $33 million will be distributed between research stations such as Bodles, Montpelier, and Orange River, and the Animal Breeding and Husbandry Project. The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, steering Jamaica towards the goal of food security, making sure that we grow what we eat and eat what we grow.